Hello, friends and family from around the world. This is Mike with Daily Events Worldwide, and we are on July 20th, 2024. Welcome to another surviving day on the planet, and welcome to a quick video update here as we have some pretty disastrous situations developing across Canada right now. From BC eastward to Manitoba, multiple, if not hundreds of wildfires burning right now across Canada. Mostly north and as well southern BC just recently. Last couple days, pretty big fire breaking out. Having a look here at satellite imagery, looking at smoke-filled skies from BC westward into Manitoba and stretching across Canada. This wildfire smoke is already getting ready to dip into Ontario over the next couple days. Looking at satellite imagery here, smoked out, nasty air quality across Saskatchewan. And even more fires today erupting across southern BC. So thoughts and prayers going out to everybody who's been affected so far. Hundreds throughout southern BC are being evacuated. And as well, northern Alberta, Fort St. John, very large, out-of-control fire up there. Having a look at NASA Worldview, this is looking at the last few days. Satellite images. All of the orange dots are hot spots, and of course, burning fires. Just look at these images. Amazing, a little bit scary, and again, thoughts and prayers going out to everybody affected and who will be affected by these fires this summer. Last year was a record-breaking 10 million hectares were burned across Canada. And it looks like we could be setting up for another record-setting year. Extreme heat is forecast for the next few days. Just west of Kamloops there, very big fire. But again, fires through BC, southern BC, northern Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba. The Moke Lake, Manitoba fire. South End Reindeer, Saskatchewan, Turner Lake, Saskatchewan, Little Fishery, northern Alberta, and north of John Prairie, Alberta, Northwest Territories, and the Yukon. After some very warm temperatures have been fueling as far north, as I said, the Yukon. Extreme heat through Cranbrook. There's even wildfires breaking out. Southern California. Extreme heat warnings. As well Oregon. Southeast of Eugene. Jack Canyon Mutual Aid fire. Burning there. Snake fire in Oregon. Very strange days we're living in, folks, and thanks everybody for tuning in. Let's have a look at the air quality forecast here for the next few days. Showing lots of smoke and debris filling the skies coming out of northern BC and northern Alberta. Looking around the world, no new eruptions to talk about. Although there was a pretty big eruption here, southern Kamchatka. There's about 4 active volcanoes through the region. Looks like Shiveluch may have let out a big blast. Thank you all for tuning in today. Let's have a look at temperature forecast for the next few days. Temperatures reaching 31 degrees Celsius in parts of Alberta. Then long-range forecast here. Things are really going to be heating up through parts of Saskatchewan and Manitoba. 33 to 34 degrees Celsius. 40 degrees Celsius in Southern California. Our weather is changing big time, folks, and I appreciate all of you wanting to know about it and subscribing to Daily Events Worldwide. Thank you, and welcome to the channel. Welcome to the family. We've got a very warm, record-breaking season ahead of us so far. Now let's have a look at the rain forecast here for the next few days across Canada, see if there is any relief. Big low developing here in the long range Tuesday into Wednesday. Could be some relief for northern BC and as well Alberta. But pretty stormy conditions here as this low rips across the Rockies northward. Long range forecast showing that system moving into the prairies. And then look at that. There's some relief for northern Alberta. Big low pressure system. Long range forecast here. Hopefully that will clear things up. And moisten the ground a little bit because we are very dry. But most of these systems heading north, BC, big high pressure ridge locked in off of California. Much love, everybody. Thank you for watching. Thank you for pressing play. Stay aware and prepared. Stay young and have fun. And get your daily due. We'll see you next video.